Hi guys, today I'm going to be solving a Rubik's Cube with the core taken out. Is the Moyumelite 3M. So it is magnetic, as you can see, magnetic. It is still can fall apart, as you can also see when it fell apart. So it will be a little bit tricky to solve it with no core piece. And if you don't know how a Rubik's Cube works in the inside, this is pretty much what it looks like. All of these go against the other things like this. Like that. And then the core piece goes on it to keep it where it is, and these middle pieces turn like this. So that's basically just a short example of how a Rubik's Cube works. So let's do this. I'm gonna mix it up. Okay, so I have it mixed. I know how to solve a void cube, so this is gonna be kind of like a void cube, I think. Only problem is, moves are probably gonna be very hard to do. Also, I noticed one other thing. If you look at those, in the inside, it shows the color of them. White, red, white, blue, blue, yellow, green. White, red, white, blue, blue, yellow, blue, green. See? So, at some time, I might blacken all these out so I can only see this when I do a solve. But that is going to be for a different time, because today, I'm just going to try to solve it. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to. Okay, I'm going to do, depending on how long it is, I might do a couple solves, or I might just do one if it takes too long. Okay. I'm going to go X cross here. I'm trying to do the most efficient way I can think of. I knew there was going to be a problem like this at some point. I'm trying to do the most efficient way I can think of. So I'm starting with X cross. I know it's going to take a while, so the more efficient it is, the better. Okay, I'm done with crossing two up pairs. Okay, this is getting kind of hard to do. It's already been a minute. As you can see, like every single time I turn it, it's kind of like one of the pieces like pops out of its place, I feel like. Okay. Oh no, oh no. No, please no. No! I need to put that back where it was. Okay, so. That turned kind of just exploded. Okay, so I got F2L, so now OL. It's an easy OL case, which is good. Oh no, just oh man. Wait, that's not right. I get it. This goes over here. This goes down here. Okay. Some of these algorithms I can't. I just had an algorithm that I messed it up because I couldn't do it very slow. I couldn't do it that slow because I have it in my muscle memory. It's kind of hard to do it slowly. And I couldn't remember what it was because I was going too slow. Okay. Almost done. And I'm not going to do the M move for this because M moves are very difficult here. And luckily there's no parities. If you know what I mean, if you know how to solve a void cube, there are some parity cases that can happen. Don't remember the algorithm very much. So, I'm glad there's no parities. Everything's falling apart. This one end. Okay, this is taking... Okay, so... that took a very, very, very long time. And it did kind of fall apart a couple of the times. So, this was the time. It was like 4 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna do it one more time. And this time, it's gonna be time-lapsed. And I'll just show you the time at the end. So, you don't have to watch me do it that long all over again. Okay, so that time it took way longer. Literally took 6 minutes, and it exploded at the beginning. So that one did not go so well. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll have a link down below on this cube. Exploded again. So look down there if you want to get this cube. The magnets are pretty strong, but of course it would still explode. It's not like the magnets are supposed to make them stick together. The core is. It's just supposed to be able to snap into place. So, see you next time.